Society has struggled with women's rights for hundreds of years. Though there have been breakthroughs and there are many challenges ahead, one of the most significant events of the modern era was women gaining freedom of movement, literally freedom, as we said earlier, from the prison of their own clothing. More than any other company, Warner's had the foresight and the vision to create the modern female undergarment.
When Dr. Lucien Warner decided to solve a 300-year-old problem plaguing women, he also freed them from the shackles of their own clothing and started a revolution that is still going strong today. In the late 19th century, Dr. Warner quit his medical practice to travel and educate women on some of the most important health issues facing them. At the time, stylish Victorian women had resumed an older clothing style called tight lacing, a corset adjustment that shrank the waist and pushed the bust up and forward. While this created a fashionable and desired shape, many believed the tight bone and metal lace fabric to be unhealthy. In response to this need, Warner designed a fully fabric corset that provided shape without sacrificing movement and health, a breath of fresh air to many women. Warner and his brother, Dr. Ira DeVere Warner, began selling their Dr. Warner's Health Corset. As word spread, women breathed easier and sales soared. The good doctors formed Warner Brothers Corset Manufacturers and filed patents on their health corset. They moved the company to Bridgeport, Connecticut in 1876 and ultimately employed 1,200 citizens, producing 6,000 corsets daily. During World War I, they purchased the first backless brassiere patent from its inventor. Warner's recognized they needed to explain bra sizing in a simple manner to a global audience. With that in mind, in 1937, they standardized the cup size of bras in the ABC format for order simplification. By the end of the Second World War, Warner's was considered the most innovative undergarment manufacturer in history. Today, Warner's is owned by PVH, a clothing conglomerate that also owns the Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger brands. Warner's undergarments and sportswear are still worn around the world, a testament to the dream of two innovators who wanted to make a safer and more comfortable product and ended up changing the world.
I hereby induct Warner's into the American Manufacturing Hall of Fame. Accepting the awards this evening are for the family is Timothy Warner Clark. He's the son of Lucetta Warner Clark, fourth generation direct descendant of the co-founder, Ira DeVere Warner. And, Tim. And Dan Bowe. He's the vice president for Core Intimate Division of PVH. He started with Warner's 29 years ago, and he worked here, right here in Bridgeport during that time. Congratulations.